Hey guys, so I'm getting really up close and personal because I need to tell you some things, but I have to be really careful because YouTube is cleaning house and they are removing all videos about that. I hope that's not backwards. If it is, I'm sorry. Okay? And so they're removing all channels that have those kind of videos. So if you have how to make homemade soap or balm or lotion or bath bombs and your title or description has this word in it or anything related to that, go and edit your videos now and remove those terminologies. If you have said them in your video, you are still at risk, especially if you've used the M word. Okay, so and even if you mark your videos private or unlisted, you can still receive a strike, and 3 strikes and you're out. So I was contacted and I was told that I needed to get my videos off, and I was like, really? How come? So I did some research. There's lots of people out there that's had their channels taken from them. One guy had his channel taken away from him. He had been there for ages. He had over 200,000 subscribers, and he was making tons of money, I'm assuming, with his YouTube because of having so many subscribers. But Google didn't care about him and say, hey, you have a few videos that we're worried about. We want you to take this one, this one, this one down. No, they gave him a strike. Before he could wake up in the morning, he had another strike. And a few hours later, he had another strike, and his channel was gone. They don't care about you. They don't care. YouTube doesn't care about you. So I want you to get that straight. I'm not being mean. I'm telling you, if you have a YouTube channel and you have this in any way in a video, they don't care about anything. There's no reasoning with them. They're like the Borg, okay? So resistance is futile, and they don't even talk to you about it. They're just like the Borg. It's just, that's it. Okay, you're gone, you're done, we don't care. And all they care about is their dollars that they're making from the advertisers. And what did the advertisers do not long ago? They went on strike and they pulled all their ad revenue money from YouTube, and they gave YouTube basically a good talking to, and they said, unless you straighten out your content, we're not advertising here anymore. And so 6 months ago roughly, YouTube deleted tons of children's channels. Just strike, 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 okay, you're dead, because they had material that they felt like wasn't safe for children. And before that, they were removing any kind of video that had guns in it. So if you sold guns and you advertised your gun shop and the kind of gun that, let's say, was on sale today, legal product, you know, not illegal to sell gun, they deleted channels. There's been lots and lots of channels that's gone, and it's happening quickly. They're just going through the genres, and so right now they're going through this genre. So I need you, if you have a channel, to quickly move now. I am moving here. Okay, I'm not going to speak that because the bots are listening. Big Brother is listening, and this is scary. But that's where my videos, where I'm making and teaching you how to make those type of cosmetic products, this is where you're going to find them. And I already have a channel there. I put a couple of videos there. You can actually take and link your videos here from other formats, and it looks just like they're on their site. If you search for the Cornerstone Market like you're searching for a person when you get on Facebook, then you should be able to find me. I'll put a link to my Facebook in here because I think I can do that without fear. I'm not about to put a link to here in here because, as I said, just a word, just the word will pick it up through the robots or the bots or the spiders, whatever they are. So that's why we're not saying this word. So anyway, so YouTube is going through this, but I want you to think about this too, guys, okay? So they may actually have other genres that are coming next. So we all need to be careful. We need to be watching, you know, searching, keeping up with who they're trashing at the moment. But the biggest thing that I need to tell you is YouTube cannot be trusted right now. They are scrambling to save their revenue dollar, and they do not care about their creators because there's only one Walmart, there's only one Sears. Those accounts that they have, they can't just go get another one, you know, these big accounts. But what's a dime a dozen? YouTube creators, okay? We're a dime a dozen. So don't think that they care about you. Don't think that you're safe because you know, because of whatever, because you've been there for 10 years and you have 5,000, hundreds of thousands subscribers and you're making, you know, $500 a week or something. Don't think they care about that. They don't, because you're a dime a dozen. They do not care about you. So I want you to be careful out there if you have a YouTube channel. The winds of time are changing, but I'm just saying, they don't care about you. Don't think they do. All they care about is their revenue dollars, and if you have a channel, get it off your channel. And then create a separate channel just to put those kind of things so that you can, if your channel's deleted, you won't lose your main channel. And go get you a channel over here. You're gonna love it. All right. Bye, everybody.